The terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, was formed in the 19th of last century, with a direct foreign influence on the basis of the religious and political doctrines of the international terrorist organization Ikhwan al-Muslimin, a humanism religious and political organization. Its leadership from the establishing this party has aimed to ruin the national statehood in Tajikistan and to establish an Islamic state. The video that we want to show to viewers is the witness of the betrayals of the leaders and activists of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party. The hero of this video was joined this organization at the beginning of the establishment of this religious extremist party. During its existence, took part in the process of developing the biased goals and objectives of this organization and its foreign leaders. Now we will tell the truth so that Tajikistan population will become aware that Islamic Renaissance Party is what kind of extremist party. Its leadership, Muhyiddin Kabiri, made what kind of treacheries to Tajik state and nation, and aimed to bring what kind of misfortunes to Tajikistan nation with the financial support of his foreign investors. I am addressing to Tajikistan population with all responsibility. Beginning from 1992, Islamic Renaissance Party is involved to all misfortunes of the nation, in particular during the war. After signing the peace and in the events of the September month of 2015, the killing of prominent figures, scholars and others. I am one of the organizers and active members of the Islamic Renaissance Party. I am Mullah Ayyumiddin, want to tell the secrets and evil plans that we implemented to citizens of Tajikistan. I, who was the witness, will divulge them.
و همچنین هم الان در صدد انجام یافتن هستند. مردم شریف تاجیکستان ایرا از زبان من، از زبان ملا عیوم‌الدین باید بشنوند، اینها را آشکار شاهد حال بدم و به مردم تاجیکستان فحش میکنم.
The hero of this video voluntarily left terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, in 2018, came back to motherland, and will tell about the betrayal acts of the members of this organization against the state and nation. Sattorov Ayyumiddin, nicknamed Mavlavi Ayyumiddin, born in 25th April 1953, citizen Komitan village Kushonyon, former Bokhtar district of Khatlon province, Tajik, married, has 5 children. Resident Rudaki district Chimtepa Jamuat, Obchakaron village, one of the organizer and active member of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party. I was next to Said Abdullah Nouri and Domullo Himatzoda, who were the organizers and leadership terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, for about 40 years. But today, I declare with a serious protest that I am not the member of this group anymore, and I will tell the reasons why I left this organization. First of all, the present leader of the Islamic Renaissance Party has violated all the charter and program that party has. He gathered around him the young illiterate and irreligious people who had been educated under the Shiite teaching of the Islamic Republic of Iran. This is my first protest. My second protest is that Muhyiddin Kabiri does not have religious faith. It means he has not a goal to revive the belief and to serve to Islam. He is a tradesman, and to achieve his goals, he founded this party step by step for himself. He wanted to achieve his commercial goals under the same party name and the flag of Islam. $1 million have been collected, built markets, constructed palaces, bought expensive cars, and today left abroad. In Turkey and Europe, he has own homes, has its own expensive cars, created his own life. I already saw all this, and I concluded that he is not a religious person and has his own goals. The present leadership of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, Muhyiddin Kabiri, who from the young age was under the spiritual extremist influence, at the beginning 19th acted as an active party member. He received the ideology knowledge of the extremist religious current in the abroad and became the follower of the political extremist school. Muhyiddin Kabiri, who is recognizing himself the leadership of the Islamic Renaissance Party, has transformed the party into a party of Shiites. Most of the people who worked there had a Shiite belief. When we had the conversation with the former experienced members of the party, including Ustad Navid, Domullah Abdulhai and Domullah Abdurrahim, we considered Muhyiddin Kabiri as the spy of any country or the spy of Iran. Today, it's my duty to inform the residents of Tajikistan from serious threats of Renaissance Party, where the leadership of it, Muhyiddin Kabiri, and from the evil plans of the special services of the Islamic Republic of Iran, that what kind of evil goals they had for our country and for our land. Muhyiddin Kabiri was educated under the Shiite education by the Special Service of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and after to make it official, he was sent to the Arabic Republic of Yemen for education, to make people think that he is not under the influence of Shiites. But all expenses he spent there was under the financial assistance the Islamic Republic of Iran. In 1992, the leadership and organizers of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, escaped to the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan and continued their destruction activities until 1997 in this country. While being in Afghanistan, they organized the group under the title Ansarullah, trained Tajik youth in the military bases, and gave religious knowledge. But how they acted and where did the source of their financial support come from? That's all we'll tell Satorov Ayomiddin, who was the witness of truth. On the financial support of the Islamic Republic of Iran, I can say with all responsibility that during all period of the activities, terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, during the leadership of Abdullah Nouri, after Muhyiddin Kabiri, was under the financial assistance of the Islamic Republic of Iran. For example, I remember that when the civil war has begun, people immigrated to Afghanistan. The leadership of the Renaissance Party took under their responsibility all these activities, and many amounts came from them by the Islamic Republic of Iran under the title Migrant Assistance. They organized Amirabad town in Takhar province of Afghanistan and cared some groups of migrants to hide their activities. But it was obvious that the amount financing from the Islamic Republic of Iran, and 70–80% of it was under the use of the leadership terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, who used them for the realization of their dirty goals, armament, and for the sake of destabilizing of Tajikistan. Terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, established Union of the Oppositional Power of Tajikistan. All this was fake. When peace was restored in 1997, they come. It should be recalled that Tajikistan signed a peace oppositional power of Tajikistan with not Renaissance Party. Today, the members of this party in the worldwide saying we were deceived. Who deceived you? When you signed unity with the country, oppositional power of Tajikistan made a peace and stayed with its agreement. The condition was anti-state actions will not implement. If we will see all actions that were done by the party in 2000, they do not correspond with the charter and programs of the party. With the financing of Iran implemented destruction acts, sold drugs, in many places kept weapons. After signing the General Agreement on the Establishment of Peace and National Accord was opened the new page in the history of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party. In September month of 1999, its activities were allowed again in the Republic of Tajikistan, and in October 2003, it was re-registered as a political party in the country. During the period of participation in the political, social, and economic life of Tajikistan, the leader of the Islamic Renaissance Party and other activists of it spoke on peace and stability of the country and national unity, until today recognizing themselves contributor in the stabilization of peace and national unity. Including unforgivable crimes that done by the leadership of the Islamic Renaissance Party, Muhyiddin Kabiri, Shah Naim, Said Umar Hussaini and others, who implemented some anti-state crimes during 2010-2015 and who are currently arrested, is against the charter and program of that official party. For example, we can recall from the armed attack in Darai Kamarov to the vehicles of the soldiers of the Ministry of Defense. where we killed many youth. The seventh unforgivable event is the armed attack against the government force in Khorog city, where local criminals were gathered, which was supported by the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, under the leadership of Muhyiddin Kabiri, and were killed a number of youth. And mostly unforgivable crime is the events of September month in 2015, where was organized coup that was occurred under the leadership of Hoji Halim. It seems that it was done by the leadership of Hoji Halim. In reality, its main leader was Muhyiddin Kabiri, who was the leadership Islamic Renaissance Party and invested by the Islamic Republic of Iran. 1992-2001 by the members and leaders of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, the terrorist and diversionary acts and crimes were committed, where on the result of them were killed more than 150,000 citizens of the Republic. The economy of the country became paralyzed. Dozens of prominent figures of the nation, scientific and cultural workers, well-known figures and political figures of Tajikistan, including Muhammad Osimi, Yusuf Ishoqi, Minhaj Gulomov, Khoshbakht Haidar Shah, and others were killed with violence and terror. The main purpose of these killings was to inflict on the intellectual power of the nation, to frighten the people, to uphold the sense of distrust and dissatisfaction to the government.
در سال 2015 حزب نهضت و من که یکی از اعضایان فعال
In 2015, I was an active member of the Islamic Renaissance Party. I was the witness that after unsuccessful participation in the election, Muhyiddin Kabiri said that we cannot become on power according to law, but through coup we will reactive the power to members and Hoji Halim. But he did not succeed.
ولی موفق نشد.
After neutralization, the state coup by the criminal group of the Abdul Halim Nazarzoda on the 4th of September 2015, the leadership of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, planned new action. When we escaped to abroad, we were gathered with the involvement of youth. We gathered them and gave them weapons. Through this youth, we aim to destabilize Tajikistan and to realize the real cause of Iran in Tajikistan, which always saying, I am friend of Tajikistan. For the realization of these bad aims, Muhyiddin Kabiri appointed his trusted persons, Kuzov Mirzo Rahim, who passed the traitor school of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, responsible of the instructions and preparation Tajik youth in abroad. Kuzov Mirzo Rahim Karimovich, born on the 8th of March 1960, Vishkhar village, Yazg'ulom Jamaat of Vanj district, Badakhshan province, Tajik, has higher education. Resident of Dushanbe city, Sino district, Bobojon Ghafrov street, house 6, apartment 10. The member of the Supreme Board and the political council of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party. The Prosecutor General of the Republic of Tajikistan opened case against him according to articles of 187 Part 1, 179 Part 3 Charter A, 189 Part 3 Charter A, 313 and 303 Law of the Republic of Tajikistan. Is on the international wanted list.
فدراسیون روسیه قرار داشتم در شهر مسکو. کوزوف شونایم
I met with Kuzov Shounaim there. I was his guest some days. Later he began to explain to me the situation step by step. He told me that they gathered youth in the military base of Mazandaran, Arok, Pardiz, Bumehan, and they are passing military training. My duty was to prepare their moral spirituality. Then I met with the Safar of Sher Muhammad with the nickname Sher Yazg'ulom. Safarov Sher Muhammad Murodovich, nicknamed Sher Yazg'ulom, Yazg'ulom Line, born on the 11th of November 1969 in Komsomol of the Rahmonov Jamaat, Jayhun district, former Komsangir, Khatlan province, has 5 children, resident of Dushanbe city, Fidausi district, Kanuri street, apartment 93, has secondary education, the member of the terrorist group of the Nazarzoda Abdul Halim Mirzo, Hoji Halim. Passed special terrorist training in the terrorist camps of the Pardiz, Bumahen, cities of Islamic Republic of Iran from September month of 2015 until March month of 2017. When I arrived there, we trained them. He with 7 people from those groups left to Afghanistan according to order of Iran's security services, where he will strengthen his military base there, and with Taliban and other terrorist groups who were gathered there, establish communication and be ready. After reaching other groups, they will enter Tajikistan and destabilize peace in the country.
در جمهوری اسلامی ایران در گروه‌های که تروریستان را تیار می‌کردند.
In the Islamic Republic of Iran prepared terrorists in the camps. 25 people from Tajikistan trained there under the leadership citizens of Tajikistan Mahmad with Abdullah nickname.
تاجیکستان محمد که با تخلص عبدالله یاد میشید فعالیت میکرد. جوانانی که از طرف کبیری و تشکیلات تروریستی اکستریمیست
The youth who were gathered by Kabiri and terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party in the military bases of Bumahen parties, Mazandaran and Aroq trained with strong military training. When they will say Lazi Khunpora, if it's rain, mud, you should lie to ground, cover your head. The way of eating and sleeping was very tough. The strong system is the American system. But the special services of the Islamic Republic of Iran sometimes brought American movies, showed how to attack, how to destabilize, how and propagate these methods. They tell when you will reach Tajikistan, you should act like this. Do not pity anyone.
من 100% تصدیق میکنم و شاهد حال بودم که
I confirm and I was the witness that lost youth who has been bringing to the Bumehan parties, Mazandaran and Aroq cities by Kabiri and terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, was supported by the special services of Iran with a less amount, 750 Iran Toman, where the person can just eat only bread. But for the Renaissance Party allocated a lot of amounts, 100 to 200,000 US dollars, that in most cases owned by Muhyiddin Kabiri and Kuzov Mirza Rahim, for continuation their destruction goals against our country in Europe.
باز همون تخریب کاری های خودشون دوام بدن. سال 2016 تا سال 2017 در ایران قرار داشتم.
When I was in Iran from 2016-2017, the security service of Iran strongly condemned the army because you with Renaissance Party took millions US dollars
شما باید جواب بدید که برای چی که
spent there but not achieved any results. Also, Kabiri several times was judged. We considered you as our party Hezbollah of Iran. You received so many amounts, bought expensive cars, built markets, but no results on our activity. Any our plans did not realize.
از سال 2016 تا سال 2017 که من در جمهوری اسلامی ایران قرار داشتم
From 2016 till 2017, in my presence in the Islamic Republic of Iran during the implementation of my duties that were given by the leadership of the Renaissance Party, including Muhyiddin Kabiri, I understood one thing. I thought that the assistance that was provided during many years spent for the Renaissance Party and its members before the civil war and after it. It is charity and Muslims act that implemented from one Muslim brother to another. Once the representatives from the Special Service of Iran, Mohammad and Abbas, came to us, was hosted a strong discussion between Tajik youth, who told that they came to Iran by Muhyiddin Kabiri and the Renaissance Party. They told that don't forget, you are not the people of the Islamic Renaissance Party. You are the people of the Islamic Republic of Iran who were prepared by the expense of Iran. We spent so much money on you to realize our goals in Tajikistan. You have destroyed all our plans. Today you must work harder to pay for it now. You should try to do more than just try to compensate the past. Everything became clear. Then I came to the conclusion. These were not for the sake of God.
در گروه‌های نظامی تعلیم بگیرن برای انجام وظایفی که در نزد آنها گذاشته میشه، ولی شما همین رو نتونید کرده. گفتم مرا تنها میکرده. من با تمام تشکیلات‌های با نفوذ بین‌المللی
I appeal to all the authoritative international organizations and world community. What kind of evidence you need to prove that terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, has military bases in the Islamic Republic of Iran? I am the witness who see all this. I was there with those terrorists and I prove it. Nobody forced me for that. I give you 100% guarantee that terrorist party is financing by the Special Service of Iran. The crimes that implemented by this terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party in Tajikistan in September month in 2015, was done by the Islamic Republic of Iran. At present, these activities are continuing. Kabiri and other followers of the Islamic Renaissance Party with the investment of Iran has military bases and preparing lost youth against the state and government of Tajikistan.
و جوانان گمراه در اونجا بازدید دولت حکومت ما آماده کرده ایستادند.
Nowadays, the activities of the terrorist extremist organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, under the leadership of Muhyiddin Kabiri, in the Western countries introduced themselves as political victims and representatives of the democracy power and receiving $100,000 aid from these countries and international organizations. This fact proves that some countries and international organizations, knowing or not knowing, also is financing the terrorism and extremism. After participating in the terrorist groups and military exercises in military bases, I was invited to Warsaw in September 2017, and I participated in the same conference held by Kabiri. At the same time, the rest of the members and guests promised that in 2020 we'll go back to Tajikistan with the backing of the international organizations and participate in the elections. If the government of Tajikistan will not agree, we will use the military groups that we prepared in the Islamic Republic of Iran. The video that was shown is the real story of a person, the person who saw much things in his lifetime, spent his life for the activity of the political party. Nobody forced him today, but many secrets and games of this terrorist party was revealed. The idea obliged him to leave this terrorist group and its leaders because many youth will be deceived and will bring many misfortunes. It is not imagination, it's truth, where we all population of Tajikistan have been through it in the 90th, and we know the result of their worshipping to strangers, that is hunger, war, and who is traitor. Dear friends and compatriots, at the end I want to tell that I became old, to tell about my lifetime next to my compatriots and children, to make easy my guilty. I acknowledge that during my whole life I was next to Sayyid Abdullahi Nouri, the creator of the Islamic Renaissance Party, and worked with him. I declare with responsibility that Islamic Renaissance Party was established with the initiative of Iran, and it was the initiative of the civil war in Tajikistan. During 26 years of Tajikistan independence, Islamic Renaissance Party functioned with the investment of Iran. We, the leadership of this party, spent most of our lifetime in relation with Iran. I am the witness that we are the leadership of Renaissance Party, constructed plans, fabric, and peaceful life for ourselves with $millions of the Islamic Republic of Iran, but brought destabilization for the Republic of Tajikistan. From this fact should be informed not only innocent people of our country, but the population of Iran as well, to know million wealth of them spending for what purposes. The leadership of this terrorist party and its supporter, the Islamic Republic of Iran, claiming that Tajikistan doesn't have any evidence that this party is the criminal and terrorist party. Brothers, I am a person who 30 years with the leadership of this party and actively participated in all their works. I acted in all camps of the terrorist Renaissance Party in Afghanistan, in Iran, and Tajikistan. We have trained the youth with the command of the party leaders for terrorism, for the sake of destabilization of Tajikistan. By the initiative of our students, they came to Tajikistan, killed the politicians, governmental employees, and the great people of Tajikistan. Still, what proof are needed? This is what I admit, someone who has seen these things with my own eyes. That's where our students, we grew up, came to kill Tajiks in Tajikistan. Will you not die? Why you know the truth, but still is lying? The dollars of Iran blinded your eyes. See, my hands are open, I am free. And nobody forced me to say these words. Don't repeat what you did before. Don't do Tajikistan, Syria for the second time. The leadership of the Islamic Renaissance Party, see, I am free. I am not under the pressure, living in peace with my family. If you not believe, then come and see. During 26 years of independence Tajikistan, each crime that occurred in Tajikistan was implemented with the plans of foreigners by this terrorist party. I did not participate in terrorist activities. My hand is not on blood. But I did not like to mention that I was one propagandist for that party. They have bad plans. The Islamic Republic of Iran, by the leadership of this party, will implement their aims under different names, ways, and methods for the destabilization of peace in Tajikistan. Youth of Tajikistan, be careful. Don't follow this traitor party. I will not forgive myself for my mistakes. I apologize from my compatriots, population of Tajikistan. We made mistake. We spent our lives with this Renaissance Party, mistaken. The truth is bitter, but I must admit it. We made mistake, but I don't want that anyone repeat this mistake in the future.
دیگر باره خلل وارد نکنند.